Hello again, King G. I'm always glad to talk with you, even this much, partner. What would you like to talk about, King G? Hello, YouTubers, and good afternoon to you. Today in Animal Crossing New Leaf, well, nothing much to show you, YouTubers, but I guess I could show you around the shops. So, let's get started. Yeah, I'm talking to Porta right now, so what's the latest, baby? Have you seen Priest's house? What a lovely home. It makes me want to remodel my place. Oh, really? Okay. Alright, YouTubers, moving right along. What's she up to? Okay. Let me show you something, YouTubers. You see this right here, YouTubers? Yeah. Truffles requested it the other day. This internatural tree. Yup. She requested it. That was her first request. But I'm not going to tell you on what she requested the other one. You just gotta wait until I do the Unlocking Project Public Works Part 2 video. So you're gonna see that, YouTubers, real soon, just not on this video. Moving along. Okay, YouTubers, if you want to see the shops, I did some purchasing. So when you see any sold out sign, yeah, that means I did it already, YouTubers. So let's start at Kicks Shoe Shop. Okay, YouTubers? Where am I going? Like, I have no idea. Alright. Hello, chum. Okay, well, there's a soccer socks. I don't want it, YouTubers. Alright, Kicks. Thank you. Come again. Alright, now to Able Sisters Clothes Shop and Accessories. Excuse me, Freckles. Hi, Gabriel. Thanks for coming again. Sure. Not a problem. The YouTubers like to see you as well. Okay. Ooh, mommy mask. Yeah, I already purchased that, YouTuber, so you won't be able to see what that is. It's a pink knit hat. Yeah, I just garbaged it away. So you won't be able to see it, YouTuber. Sorry. Alright. To the next. To Mabel's area. Yeah, same here, YouTubers. See the sold out sign? Yeah, I already did the purchase earlier. Off camera, so yeah. Thanks. You come back now. There's Shaputo's salon, but we're not going to do that on this video, YouTubers, so But we're going to go to TT Emporium. In you go. Hey, look, there's Groncho. Welcome, welcome. Come on in. There's Groncho, YouTubers. Say hi to Groncho's YouTubers. Hi, Groncho. Alright. Yeah, I did purchase one song, YouTubers. I didn't purchase the other one because I already have it. But if you YouTubers want to hear it. KK Malagana. A fine item, yes. The price is 3,200 bells. Are you interested in this item? What's the song like? Ooh, it's spooky, YouTubers. The price is 3,200 bells. Are you interested in this item? No thanks. Understood. Well then, please look around and examine our other wares. So many. Alright, YouTubers. Moving along. Let's go up. YouTubers, I'm going to show you Gracie's and see what they sell there, YouTubers. I'm sure you're desperate, so I'll be kind to show you, YouTubers. Welcome, welcome. This is the second floor, the Turner's Design floor. So designy. Let's check the walls, YouTubers. And the floor and carpets. A spooky wall. A fine item. Yes. This is a limited time offer that's only on sale this season. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. The price is 4,124 bells. Are you interested in this item? Show me! Ooh. Halloween related, YouTubers. And this is Spooky Wall. Related to Halloween. No thanks. Understood. Well then, please look around and examine our other wares. So many. What's this one? An illusion wall. Show me. Don't want it. Don't want it. No thanks. Understood. Yeah. You yab. Now to the flooring, YouTubers. Ugh, Astro chest. Don't want that. Pastel dot rug. Yeah, don't want to eat that. No, thank you. Understood. Alright. One more flooring, YouTubers. Modern wood flooring. Show me. Yeah, I don't want that either. No thanks. Understood. Alright. Well, I'll purchase that Astro chest, YouTubers. I'm not into Astro. I'm not an Astro kind of guy. But I'm going to trash it anyway, so... Astro dresser. There's the sold out sign, YouTubers. Alright, I'm not really into that, YouTubers. What's this? Striped cone. I'll take it to trash it. It's going to the trash, Timmy. Don't want that. Alright, YouTubers. I'll be kind of to show you Gracie's of what she sells up there. Alright, YouTubers. Alright. Oh, look, YouTuber. Punk hair. Punk shirt. Hey, look, Lolly. Let me talk to Lolly, YouTubers, you don't mind. Talk to me, Lolly. Well, hello. You're looking great. I thought I might run into you here. Bon Bon. Bon Bon. Since when you call me Bon Bon? You never call me that when you lived in my town. Cowboy boots, okay. Oh, look at that. Alright, YouTubers. There's walls and carpets. Alright, YouTubers. They're all the same related YouTubers. This is fall related clothes. Especially that punk hair and punk clothes. Alright, YouTubers. You already saw this. Don't need to see it again. Down we go. What's up, Groncho? Let's talk to Groncho, YouTubers. I'm getting kind of tired. You should push yourself too much either. Make sure you take a break every so often, alright? Sure, Groncho, sure. Not now, though, because I gotta show the YouTubers this video. Okay. Thank you for visiting. Come again. Tomorrow! Alright, YouTuber, it took a little time at TT Emporium, but we got through it. Alright, nothing in the post office, YouTubers. Nook's home, let's check it out. Welcome, welcome. Alright. What's the motto for today, Nooks? What is that? Is that a Zang Castle? Yeah, Zang Castle. That Zang Castle is a symbol used for external revelation. If you make the order, we can then revamp your house just like the motto shows. Yes, yes. By the way, things like the color of your home's roof settings will not be changed in the revelation. That sort of thing requires more work, and we're not a charity. The cost is 398,000 bells. Would you preachers be interested? No thanks. Can't even afford that. Sorry. That's project cost. I see. No worries, no worries. Still plenty left to look at. Alright, YouTubers. Alright, that's nothing here. Let's just get out. Thanks much. I already updated YouTubers, so no need for that to go in there. We can't go to Club 101. Alright. I'm going to do a little dance, YouTubers. You don't mind? There's my happy dance, YouTubers. Look at me, baby. Like that, YouTubers? Let's do it again. Look at me, I'm on stage. Once more. My happy dance, YouTubers. This is Trump's happy dance. Alright, no need to waste the video, YouTubers. Alright. Bye, Dr. Shrump. Alright. Now what should we do now? Well, let's see if we get any dings from one of my residents. Hope you enjoy that, YouTubers. Alright. Let's talk to Priest. Yo, King G, again with the chatting. Are you stalking me, bro? What do you mean you're not my bro, partner? So, what's up, bro? Let's talk, bro. Hey, King G, come over to my house. You know, just a crazy idea off the top of my head. No big deal. What do you think? Want to see my legendary training palace? Sure. Alright. I want to monitor your calf muscles, so I'll be a few steps behind you, partner. Oh, we're going now, YouTubers. You YouTubers want to check out Priest's house? Let's do it. I'm ready. Let's go to your house, Priest. Alright. Who's up there? Hang on, Priest. Is that Savannah? Oh, Savannah with her crazy ideas. Alright, let's go. To Priest's house we go, YouTubers. Follow me, Priest. Let's do some trashing, YouTubers. You don't mind. Alright, trashing time. Let's trash this one and that one. Alright, YouTubers, trashing time is over. Now to Priest's house. Yeah, that's my outdoor chair, YouTubers. Got that request from Savannah. It's a lot of red dragonfly. But I have no need for dragonflies. I already complete dragonflies. Alright. We're almost there, YouTubers. And here we are. Here's my place. In we go. And in we go we shall. There it is, YouTubers. Yeah, he has a pail garbage. I gave to him that this morning, so he wanted it. So, no excuses. Well, he has like 2 trash cans in here. Whoa. Guess you really need 2 trash in here. KK Tude. Oh, alright. Whatever that is. He has a black Baz in here too. And look, YouTubers. You see, YouTubers, the number 7 and number 9 lamp. He has them both in here. Huh, YouTubers? What I'm looking for is the 2 and 4 lamp. So if you YouTubers have any, I would like it. Alright. Turn off the TV. Don't waste your electricity. There you go. Trying to push me, huh? Trying to push me? Trying to push me? Don't push your mayor. Alright. Sorry you had to see that, YouTubers. It's just Priest is sort of in a pushy kind of guy, and he cannot do that to the mayor, push the mayor like that. He needs to respect the mayor. I'm the mayor in this town. Gotta respect the mayor. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Alright, we don't want to waste the video just hanging here. Would be nice, but don't want to spend the whole video hanging here. Alright. So, does my house look the way you pictured it? You pictured it, right? Alright. Sorry, priest, but got better things to do than just hanging here. Hey, King G, you're just going to leave like that? At least tell me what you think of the place, partner. I'll say it's okay. Not trying to hurt his feelings, just trying to keep it positive. It's okay. Huh. Like it needs more pizza or something. Alright, next time I'll surprise you. Stop by anytime, bro. I mean it, partner. Like he's in Texas or something. Alright, YouTubers. You want to see him coming out, YouTubers? There he is. He's out. Guess he's bug catching now. Alright. Leave him with his bug catching stuff. Alright. What else? Yeah, YouTubers, I'm going to break this metal bench down off camera. You won't even know when it's going to happen, but I'm going to break it off, YouTubers, because I want that other bench called the fairy tale bench. Yeah, I'm going to get that, YouTubers. So once I update the town and get that built, you're going to see it, YouTubers, on my dream. So just tune in when that will happen. Whoa. Alright, got like too many trees around my town. What's in the building board today? Thanks to everyone's generate whatever, Gaveston has finally completed the much interpreted new ultimated tree. Okay. Nothing to see here, YouTubers. Alright, YouTubers. I think I'll be calling it a video. So, because there's nothing else to really show you at this moment, YouTubers. So, I don't know what else to show you. There's Cub's house. Savannah's in every single one of my videos. Since she moved here, she's in every single one of my videos, isn't she? You see her in every one of my videos, YouTubers. Every time I post a video, you see Savannah roaming around my town, right, YouTubers? Yes, she's in every single one of my videos. But since then, she hasn't done a ding that requested a project. That's just very strange, Savannah. Who's there? Oh, that's Truffles. Alright. Let me talk to Truffles, YouTubers. I keep seeing you again and again, Gabriel. Or no, am I stuck in a time loop? I've got to break out. I mean, I like you, but that's just too much. What do you want to talk about? Snooty. Want to chat? Wouldn't hurt to chat. Call me crazy, but I just don't know what to think about Porta and Savannah. It's like something, they're total buddies. But other times, I get the feeling they don't like each other. Really? I gotta talk to them too. Friendships can be complicated, I guess. Maybe they just need time to get to know each other better. Yeah, that's what they need, to know each other better. It's only been a week Savannah moved here. Alright. Alright, YouTubers. I'm going to wrap up the video. So, tune next time on Animal Crossing New Leaf. So, until then, have a great afternoon, YouTubers. Ciao! Goodbye, YouTubers. And tune in for the next Animal Crossing New Leaf.